In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Notes not showing on Instagram. Instagram Notes is a new feature that's like Stories, but only with text. If you're not seeing it, don't worry, I'll guide you through some steps to get it working. First, head to your App Store and make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Sometimes, you may not realize it's outdated, so check if there's an update available in the App Store or Google Play Store. If it's already updated, let's try some in-app fixes. To see Instagram Notes, first tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Then, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings, and once you're in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Account. Now, scroll down and check if you have the option to switch to a professional account. If you're already on a professional account, Instagram Notes won't be available, so switch to a personal account to gain access to this feature. If you're not on a professional account yet, tap on Switch to Professional Account at the bottom of the screen, and you can skip through the setup quickly. Once you've switched to a personal account, go back to the Account section, tap Switch to Personal Account, and that should reset your account and give you access to Instagram Notes. If Notes still aren't showing, there's one more step to try. Go back to Settings and tap on Help, which is just below Account. Then select Report a Problem. A new page will open where you can report the issue to Instagram. Let them know that you can't see the Instagram Notes feature and request to have it activated. You can write something like, "Hello, I cannot see the Instagram Notes feature. Please help me get this feature as soon as possible. Thanks." After sending the request, Instagram support should get back to you within a few days, and you should have access to Notes.